how to enable or disable autofill credit cards in Safari on iPhone X. And okay guys, sir, in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to Safari. Here in Safari, in general section, you can see here the autofill. Okay, you can tap this and you can see the credit card here. So the credit card is disabled. To enable this, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side of this credit card, and the pop-up below are shows. When you turn on autofill, anyone who has access to your iPhone can view and use your saved credit card. Using a passcode lock on your iPhone can protect your saved credit card, and you can enable by turn on the passcode lock, or you can use without passcode. So okay, and for my tutorial, so I use the use without passcode, and that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled. To disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled or disabled autofill credit card in Safari on iPhone X.